Hello, my friends, and welcome to another episode of Pouring with Coast to Coast. We thought it would be fun to come up with a challenge for each other this week, and so I jumped in and volunteered to come up with one. And my challenge for my fellow pouring partners was to use black and white and one color of their choice. I decided to go with copper. It'll be fun to see what everyone else chooses and the results. So here we go. Now I'm using ready mixed pouring paints by Artist Loft. I love these paints. I have over 50 videos of them where I use them straight. I mix them with something and do swipes and Dutch pours, all sorts of things. So if you're interested, you might want to check that out. But today I have extended them with a glue and Floetrol mix. As always, the details will be down below. And now I'm going to fill up a couple of cups. I'm going to fill them up a little bit differently from each other. And I will speed this part up, probably. Because we're trying to keep the length of these videos under 15 minutes. Okay, so you may have noticed I have more black in this one and more white in this one, except for that last pour I did there. So I'm going to pour them out at the same time. As I head out, I'm going to start in the middle and head out towards the ends there. And here we go. Okay, interesting. I wonder, well, I'm going to tilt it around and see how well it moves before I determine if I need some flow extender. So just go, although I do probably need some to maintain these interesting parts. That's just going to roll over on itself and I'll end up with just this middle section. I wasn't going to pour on such a large canvas. That was a last minute change, so I didn't really mix that much paint. I think I'm going to pause, mix up some flow extender. I'll be right back. Okay, I actually found a cup that I've had laying around for a while of white Artist Loft Ready Mix, so hopefully it's not compromised and it will do the trick. find out. Okay. And here we go. That's weird. It's disappearing in there. It may have to serve as some negative space. But that might be okay. I kind of like that. I love these paints. I think ready mix paints sometimes, get a bad rap because it's like cheating or something, but you can really experiment with them and push them to the limits there and get some very interesting, I know I'm losing stuff, I hear you. Some very interesting effects by mixing them with other mediums and just having fun with them. I've tried a lot of them, and I prefer the Artist Loft the most. Although I've had some fun with Gencrafts. And I have a coupon code where you can save money on Gencraft products down below in my description box. They're already very reasonably priced, and I do like them as well. Wow, what do you think? It's kind of wonderful in a way. Could I possibly be done? I think I like the little bits of negative space here and there, kind of. My friends, I think I'm done. Let me bring you in for a closer look. I like hanging these 8x24s in vertical orientation, and I usually like the dark at the bottom if there's a dark end, because it kind of weighs the painting down and just makes sense to my eye. Oh, interesting shadow effect there. I like that a lot. And then it gets lighter up here, and I just like that overlapping effect. Okay. Well, there's my answer to the challenge. A 3-color pour. And now let's head up the coast and visit Maida in Petaluma.